How to replace a human touch WholeBody ROVE side panel. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter, and new zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. If you are replacing a right-hand side panel, remove the tablet from the tablet holder, then pull up on the tablet holder to remove it. Pull up on the front of the body pad, then lift the upholstered flap. Use your fingers to pry the foot and calf massager retaining clip off each mounting post. Slide the massager to the right to free the mounting brackets from the posts. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the front of the side panel. Now, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the backrest cover to the chair, then remove the cover. If you are replacing a right-hand side panel, use a wire cutter to cut the zip ties that secure the 2 side panel connectors to the chair frame. Also cut the zip ties that secure the 2 sides of each connector together. Disconnect the connectors. Next, disconnect the 2 air hoses. Disconnect the connector from the lower right corner of the PCB. If you are replacing a left-hand side panel, cut the zip tie that secures the 2 sides of the connector together, then disconnect the connector. Now, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the side panel bracket to the backrest. You can now remove the side panel from the chair. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the side panel bracket to the old side panel. Before installing the new side panel, place the mounting bracket from the old panel into position on the new panel, then replace the screw to secure it. Note the bracket runs parallel to the edge of the side panel. Note the 2 white side panel mounting posts and the corresponding brackets. Slide the posts into the brackets to attach the side panel. Next, replace the 3 screws to secure the upper side panel mounting bracket to the chair. If you are installing a right-hand side panel, reconnect the connector to the sound PCB. Then, reconnect the hoses to the fittings, matching the hoses by color. Now, reconnect the 2 connectors, then install a new zip tie to secure the 2 sides of each connector together. Cut the excess zip ties. Bundle the connectors together, then install 2 new zip ties sideways through the connectors to secure them to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. If you are installing a left-hand side panel, connect the connector, then install a zip tie lengthwise around the connectors, between the wires, to secure the two sides of the connector together. Cut the excess zip tie. Next, on the backrest cover, note the tabs on the cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, then strike the upper corners to be sure the cover is engaged. Replace the 4 screws to secure the cover. If the screws are different lengths, use the longer screws on the lower holes. Now, replace the 2 screws to secure the front of the side panel to the chair. Slide the foot and calf massager mounting brackets onto the mounting posts from the right, then reinstall the 2 retaining clips with the tongues facing to the right to secure the massager to the chair. Press the upholstered flap onto the seat, then press down on the front of the body pad to secure it. If you remove the tablet holder, align the flat side of the holder with the flat side of the bracket, then push down on the holder to install it. Place the tablet into the holder. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.